Are you looking for a way to lose weight and tone your body? Look no further than yoga. In this video, we'll show you the best yoga exercises for weight loss, specifically targeting belly fat. The plank pose strengthens the core, while the warrior poses tones the legs and arms. The downward facing dog pose helps to stretch and lengthen the entire body. For maximum weight loss results, try incorporating a yoga flow sequence into your routine. This type of yoga, known as power yoga, will not only burn calories but also improve your overall fitness and flexibility. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Yoga can be done at home and is suitable for people of all fitness levels. In fact, yoga for beginners is a great way to start your weight loss journey. Want to lose weight in just 10 days? Try our yoga for a weight loss challenge. With this challenge, you'll be able to see results in just 10 days, and with the added bonus of feeling more relaxed and rejuvenated. Click the link in the description to get it for free. Yoga is not only a great way to lose weight, but it also improves overall health and well-being. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, give yoga for weight loss a try and see the results for yourself. Click the link in the description to start your yoga challenge today.